If you've been following my channel for a while, you already know I make a lot of videos on AI tools for researchers. Tools that can help you with literature review, research paper writing, citation management, feedback on your drafts, and so many more. But now we are seeing a new wave in this space, and that is AI agents. Unlike traditional tools which usually automate one specific task, AI agents are designed to function as your research assistant or a co-scientist. Based on your prompts, they can search and review literature, critically analyze findings, design your experiments, interpret the results, prepare charts and graphs, and draft your entire research paper, all in one continuous workflow. Essentially, they automate large chunks of the research life cycle and not just individual steps. Now, the exciting news is that the first AI agent in this category has been launched by SciSpace. So in this video, I'm going to review what this AI agent can do, how well it performs in real research scenarios, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. Now let's start with the most powerful use case, systematic literature review. This AI agent has access to over 280 million plus peer-reviewed articles, including 50 million plus open access full text PDFs. With this, you can do so much more than just search for papers. You can ask the AI agent to shortlist the most relevant studies from your topic, compare them side by side, critically evaluate their findings, find gaps in existing research, and even ask it to explain complex papers in simple language. For example, I asked it to create a comparative table on recent advancements in superhydrophobic antibacterial fabrics, and it did a great job in pulling together key research from the past 5 years, highlighting the different nanoparticles used, fabrication methods, performance metrics, and scope for future research. That kind of structured overview would usually take days to create manually. So definitely when you're planning to do a systematic literature review, either for your research proposal or review paper, definitely this tool is going to reduce a lot of your time. Now, the only thing you need to remember here is that with all AI tools that help with literature review, including this one, can access full texts of only open access papers. However, they can only see the abstract of subscription journals, essentially those papers that are behind a paywall. So while this tool is quite impressive at collating and analyzing information, there's a significant section of the research that is still being left out. So it's very important that you do your literature survey side by side to ensure completeness and accuracy. Now, another great use case of this AI agent is in data analysis. With its help, you can solve complex equations, extract data from PDFs, perform statistical analysis, clean and transform messy data sets, and so much more. You can also create interactive web dashboards or prepare charts and graphs for your research work. Now, this kind of plethora of work is usually handled by one AI tool. But because this is an AI agent, it is able to achieve all these things under one single roof. For example, I uploaded a data set of monthly average temperatures across 3 cities in a year and asked it to plot a line chart and heat map, which it did wonderfully. What I loved about it is that it also gave me key insights from the data that I had uploaded in terms of highest temperatures and seasonal patterns. Now, another thing I did was upload the abstract of my research paper and asked it to create a graphical abstract for me. So the output that I received, even though it was decent in terms of accuracy, I feel the design quality wasn't great and it still requires a lot more work. Now, the next use case is in drafting research manuscript. With its help, you can structure your drafts, write in LaTeX-ready formats, and fix language issues. But if you've been on my channel long enough, you already know my stance. I always tell you, don't get your entire research articles drafted by AI. Instead, you can take its help to create the outline for you, perform the formatting, and make sure that your entire paper is strong enough in terms of language and academic tone. But the main writing needs to always come from you. But this job also was done beautifully by the AI agent. For example, here I uploaded my research paper draft and asked it to improve the overall language, paraphrase certain parts where accidental plagiarism was possible, and also add citations where my claims were not fully supported. And it did a wonderful job in executing all these commands. Now, the next feature and something I found particularly valuable is peer review support. Before submitting your thesis or paper to the journal, you can ask the AI agent to review your draft. For example, here I uploaded my research paper draft and gave the command, I'm submitting my paper to Wiley Advanced Material Interfaces Journal. Provide detailed peer review for this article. And the output was absolutely fantastic. It came up with the strengths of my work, major concerns, and by the way, all technical issues and not just focus on academic writing or language. Issues with my presentation, and came up with a list of recommendations to strengthen my work further. Now, this is something that can really improve the quality of your submission before it even reaches your advisor or publisher. Beyond this, the agent can also help you with creating research presentations and designing scientific posters. But honestly, I felt that the overall quality was quite basic and the layouts and designs need a lot of improvement. But you can still take its help for brainstorming and generating the ideas instead of having to start from scratch. Now, these are only some of the use cases that I could cover in my video, but the AI agent is capable of doing so much more. So in order to understand or explore what this tool can achieve, simply go to the AI agent and ask. For example, here I gave the command, can you tell me how you can help me in the literature review process? And the tool came up with a host of things it can help me with. Some of them did not even come to my mind. So whenever in doubt, simply go to the agent and talk to it as if you would talk to a fellow research assistant or a co-scientist. So to sum it up, does the SciSpace AI agent do what it claims and live up to the hype? I would say to a large extent, yes. The biggest advantage of utilizing this AI agent is convenience. You no longer have to learn a lot of different tools in order to automate different research tasks. Everything can be accomplished under one roof. And all you need to do is give command to the AI agent. For example, summarize my paper, write my manuscript, find out plagiarism, and the tool will do it for you. On the downside, some of the complex tasks can take quite long for it to process, sometimes up to 10 to 15 minutes also. So it's not lightning fast yet. And definitely, there's a lot of room for improvement when it comes to the quality of figures, posters, presentations, etc. But overall, I would still say that this tool is able to achieve a lot of different capabilities and give you a lot of different features that no other AI tool is currently offering. So if you're interested to explore this tool, I've put the link and discount coupon in the description below for you. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found the video useful. Now, if you wish to stay updated with the latest trends in the research and AI tool space, then comment trends below and I will come back with another video exploring an AI tool with you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.